I've been trying to do some writing and this rabbit clearly doesn't approve. What are you doing, Gadbad lady? So, this is the first time I've noticed such vehement behavior. Oh God, she's coming to nip me. Hello, heroine, don't do this. Oh God, anybody who keeps a pet has to be prepared for this. But this is the first time I'm seeing a rabbit being like so assertive, yeah. God, scary lady, what should I do with you? God. Okay. Okay, don't tear my page. What are you doing? I'm putting you back in your cage. Pagal aurat. What are you doing here? Don't trouble me so much. Scary lady. Where are you going? Gadbad queen. Gadbad queen. Gadbad queen. This is after my notebook only. Girl. But she's adorable. And her name is Happy. Happy the sweetheart.